What is sales rank? Sales rank basically is telling you how often a product sells on a daily basis or over a month period of time. For example, in electronics, let's just go from 0 to 100,000. In electronics, I'm speaking about electronics because this product that I'm talking about is an electronic item. So the lower you see this sales rank, the lower you see it as close to zero as possible. And how can you tell when it's close to zero? If you look on that right hand side, it's going to give you a sales rank, I guess you can say range. Number 1,000s, obviously, it's going to be the lower the sales rank. So you can see it's 1,000 here, 1,000, 1,500 there. That's the lower it is, the more frequent that thing is selling. The higher it is, the less frequent it is selling. Now, of course, it is all relative to each category, but like I said, for the sake of this video, we are just strictly in electronics.